number 1. Okay, the graph shows the variation of kinetic energy Ek with momentum square p square. What are the fundamental SI units? SI units for the gradient of the graph. So he is asking you, if I take the gradient of the graph over here, let me take this. If I take the gradient of the graph over here, what will be the units of this gradient? So how do I do? So if you look at this here, it says Ek kinetic energy and p square. What is the relationship connecting these two? So we know that Ek is equal to half, just a minute, let me write it down here. Ek is equal to half mv square, which can also be written as p square divided by 2m. Now if I take the gradient, what do I get? Here it will be Ek, here it will be Ek, and here it will be p square. So gradient would be, the slope would be equal to delta Ek divided by p square. This is what I get over here. So if I do the same thing mathematically, what do I get here? Ek by p square will now be equal to 1 by 2m. So ignore the 2 here. M is the reciprocal here. So therefore it should be 1 by kg. Okay, so A is the right answer.